Um, uh, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, everybody. And we are the Syntans Consultancy, and my name is Patrick Olase. I'm the leader, and I have the deputy leader, Franco Gonzalez, and my co-consultants, Bindu Paladugu and Roshni Kunti. And today we'll be talking on Lemsley Child Care. So without wasting much time, this is our table of content, and I'll just give a brief introduction. Next slide, please. Give a brief introduction. Yeah, Lemsley Child Care is a registered charity center in Newcastle. The company has experience of over 26 years in child care sector, and it was introduced by John Alexander. He has over 230 children who are being taken care of daily, and it consists of fun-filled actions and activities which will help children for being happy, healthy, and happy. Next slide. Bindu.
Yeah, and the activities provided in the child care are for children up to 5 years. Activities are accessible to progress, physical, and development, entertaining and fun times. When it comes to the elder children, the activities that are accessible are inspire investigation, critical intellectuals, operative practice of their own thinking. When it comes to different able children, these children are usually treated in according to difficulties because they are investigated in initial phase according to activities they are given. When it comes to the outdoor plays, the activities such as parachute competitions, hockey, nature walk, team sports, cricket, etc. are supported out to inspire the children. Next, please. Uh, in the childcare, we have 3 clubs. One is the breakfast club, which opens at 7:30 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. And per session, it costs £5.20. When it comes to after-school clubs, the timings are 3:15 p.m. to 6 p.m. The snacks are offered with high range of actions like cooking, outdoor arts, physical plays, and crafts. This costs £8.70 per session. When it comes to holiday care, the timings are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, long session outings like bowling, zoo, and many more. This costs around £22 per full day session. Next, please. When it comes to special products, during fun days, variety of actions are taken place, such as outings and magics, with an intention of raising funds. When it comes to the charity fundraising, funds and their activities are done throughout the year, both in regional and national charities. When come to trade craft shop, promoting is the best method. Umbrella trading fair is arranged. Their compromises food items like pasta, gifts, and beverages. Next, please. We come to the SWOT analysis of the childcare. Pest analysis of the childcare. Political factor is the government funds childcare facilities for over 85% of the price. Due to Brexit presently impacts on HR importing from the European, that shall reduce by 11% with employee retention decrease by about 8%. When it comes to the economy factor, the per capita of UK, which was £29,150, aided parents for making use of the childcare facilities even more than before. Certainly, the improved practice of services of over 34% of whole expenditure by the parents in the UK. Welcome to the social one. The organizations of childcare for undertaking important activities for expanding the guarantee and commitment with guaranteeing the maintenance and fulfillment of the employees. We come to the technology factor. Low prices of computers and various gadgets of about 88%. The spending of about 13% of the retention and engagement of the worker, which therefore increases the satisfaction of workers. Next, please. SWOT analysis. The strengths of the childcare are affordable for working parents. Children find the environment safe and secure, and Lemmesley Childcare is a well-established name in childcare services in Gateshead, Newcastle, a dependable source of finance through charities and donations. And the opportunities are can take advantage of lower competition levels in Gateshead. Staff workers can be encouraged with positive behavior. New staff can be trained to work better with children and provide best services. Introduction of more tailor-made courses for children and bring improvements in existing ones. When it comes to the weaknesses, the dissatisfaction is an internal weakness, lack of coordination between staff workers and higher level management. Since Lemesley is a charity business, it fails to attract more employees with skills and encourage career paths, and is also working on the limited budget since it only relies on single sources of finance. When it comes to the threats, many other charity organizations can possibly take the donation away from Lemesley, which poses threat to its existence. Low staff satisfaction can cause major harm in the operation of the childcare provider, and the Lemesley solely relies on single source of finance, which is limiting its expansion. Next, my friend gonna continue from here. Franco?
The threat of the Potus 5 forces, the threat of substitute products. As you all know, there are several childcare services providers which provide even better and more quality services. Is going to be a threat because competing in such a market is always very competitive, and it has no certainty. Then the competitive rivalry with the childcare industry. The competition rivalry is currently in medium level, but as the lockdown situation gets better and offices and works reopen, this will move to a very high stage as many childcare providers will look to attract more parents. The threat of new entrants, they already established childcare providers such as Lamsley and a few others are quite well known and have been providing their services uh, to provide their services for such a long time. Now, however, if the current rise in demand seems to be in a different part of the UK, the entering of new entrants looks quite high as these new entrants will look into fill up the gap already. Then bargaining power of customers. Customers play a very vital role in overall business success as they are the ones spending their money to buy the product and services. While in childcare business, parents play key role as they are the target market. Hence, the child future is dependent on the decision. So parents choose a service provider wisely. And then bargaining power of suppliers. Since Lamsley is a